Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, because here our first target is to get the values of x, so if in your exam the question statement is that you first just get the value of x, or you just get the roots of this equation, so then that's why you need to do the first method. And if in your question in your exam the question statement is that you just determine the solution of this problem, then you directly do the second method. So here we move towards the solution of this problem. And now first you see that this 1 minus x is divided by left hand side. We move it into the right hand side and it is multiplied by this 1, and it will be written as x minus 1 is equals to 1 is multiplied by 1 minus x. And further in the next step, we multiply 1 on both of these terms, and it will becomes x minus 1 is equals to 1 minus x. And further, because here our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we move this minus x from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as this is x. When we move this minus x from right to left, it will becomes plus x is equals to this is minus 1. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 1. And now you see here you see that these are the two same variable terms are added by each other, so it means that we need to add the coefficients of both of these terms, and its coefficients are 1, so we get here x plus x becomes 2 times of x, and here we have 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. For this we divide both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms. So when we divide by 2, it will becomes here in this form. This is 2x divided by 2 is equals to this is 2 divided by 2. And now you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here our x is equals to this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here 1 only. So this is the first root of the given equation, or the value of x of this given equation, which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not. So that for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1. So this is our given question statement, and here we need to verify about value of x. So for this we substitute this value of x into the left hand side, and we check that is this equals to 1 or not. So here when we put it here, it will becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 is equals to 1 or not. This is the our claim. And further we have, if you see into the left hand side, we have 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and this 1 minus 1 is also becomes 0 is equals to 1 or not. This is the our claim. And now you see here the left hand side is 0 by 0 form, and usually we just call that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, we conclude about that x equals to 1 is not satisfied our given question statement. And you know about that the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. So here we have x is equals to 1 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and you see here we cannot get any other value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that this question has no solution. So this is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem. And now we move towards our second method, and here we again solve this problem. So in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and in this method we just directly conclude about the solution set of this problem. And for this, here we need to take common negative sign from numerator, and when we take common minus 1 from here, we get the remaining values are 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, and we check that is this equals to 1 or not. Okay, and now here you see that this 1 minus x is cancelled out by this 1 minus x, and we get the remaining values are minus 1 is equals to 1. And you see here minus 1 is not equals to 1 in general, so we say that these are not equal, or in other words we just say that it is not possible. It is not possible that minus 1 is equals to plus 1. So this means that we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. Okay, so this is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.